I'm quite excited because this will be the first time that I'm gonna be using a Samsung device as a daily driver. Yeah, this will be the Samsung Z Fold 6 512GB Silver Shadow. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
First Samsung device, Galaxy Z Fold 6. Because this is a pre-order, it comes with a 25-watt free power adapter. Kit? Wow. So here's our Galaxy Z Fold 6 in Silver Shadow colorway 512GB. Comes with free 25 watts power adapter, free speaker, free power bank, free headphone, and free gift. And a free luggage. This freebie is cool because now I can keep all the freebies away.
For over a decade, the iPhone has been my trusted companion, seamlessly integrating into my daily life with its intuitive interface and reliable performance. However, the allure of innovation and the promise of a transformative experience led me to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. This decision marks a significant shift, not just in brand loyalty, but in embracing a new era of smartphone technology. Switching from an iPhone to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 after more than a decade is an exhilarating experience. As a long-time iPhone user, the decision to transition to a new ecosystem and embrace a foldable device is both thrilling and filled with anticipation. The first thing that struck me about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is its design. The foldable screen is a marvel of modern engineering, offering a blend of functionality and futuristic appeal. The ability to switch between a compact phone and a tablet-like display is a game changer. It promises to redefine how I interact with my device. From multitasking to media consumption, the larger screen is perfect for productivity, allowing me to run multiple apps simultaneously, which is something I've always yearned for an iPhone. Another aspect that excites me is the enhanced durability and design improvements. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is thinner and lighter than its predecessors, making it more portable and user-friendly. The reinforced folding mechanisms and improved materials give me the confidence of its longevity. The integration of advanced AI features is another highlight. Samsung's AI capabilities such as real-time translation and enhanced image processing are poised to make everyday tasks more efficient and enjoyable. As someone who frequently interacts with diverse cultures, these features will undoubtedly enhance my experiences and streamline my interactions. As I have mentioned, I've been using iPhone for more than a decade. From the iPhone SE first generation to the iPhone 15 Pro, the transitioning from iOS to Android is a significant change, but it's one thing I'm looking forward to. The customization options available on Android are a refreshing change from the more rigid iOS environment. I'm eager to personalize my device to better reflect my preference and needs. The flexibility to tweak settings, use widgets, and explore a broader range of apps is an exciting prospect. Moreover, the Galaxy Z Fold 6's camera system, while not on par with the highest-end models, still offers impressive capabilities. The versatility of having multiple lenses and the ability to capture stunning photos and videos in various scenarios is something I'm keen to explore. Photography has always been a passion of mine, and I'm excited to see how the Galaxy Z Fold 6 can elevate my creative pursuits. All in all, the switch from an iPhone to the Samsung Z Fold 6 is more than just a change of device. It's an embrace of innovation and a step into the future of mobile technology. The excitement of discovering new features, the thrill of a foldable screen, and the promise of enhanced productivity and creativity make this transition a truly exhilarating journey. As I embark on this new chapter, I look forward to the endless possibilities that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will bring into my daily life. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.